Hello, Tech family. Welcome back to Tech World. I want to start by giving a huge thank you for the time you spend on watching my videos. I am really grateful. Today, we are looking at the brain of any power system. What I've built here is a DIY frequency driver circuit, and I'm going to show you exactly how this small DIY project acts as the command center to drive your MOSFETs. While the MOSFETs and transformers in an inverter handle the heavy lifting, this circuit is the controller that dictates the timing and safety of that power conversion. By using a 555 timer IC in an astable configuration, we've created a master clock. As I adjust the potentiometer used in this project, I'm manually altering the RC time constant, which allows us to sweep our output frequency from a standard pulse all the way up to 90 Hz. The real magic happens when this signal hits the C1851 transistors. In a project like this, you can't connect a 555 timer directly to a large power MOSFET because the IC lacks the current needed to flip those internal gates quickly. The C1851 acts as a gate driver, taking that small timing signal and amplifying it into a high current shove. This ensures your MOSFETs switch on and off instantly, preventing the heat buildup that usually destroys DIY inverters. Throughout the circuit, I've used PF capacitors and resistors to stabilize this signal and filter out any impurity or electrical noise. This precision is what allows you to tune your driver to exactly 50 Hz or 60 Hz to match your local requirements, or even experiment with higher ranges for specialized projects. Without a solid driver stage like this, you just have a collection of parts. With it, you have a synchronized system ready to handle real power. It's a pleasure having you. Please support me by hitting that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Also check out my other videos on amazing DIY projects. Have a good one.